Hello my dear students. So this video is about some of a simple trick through which you can remember the Bravais lattice. Okay, so while studying the solid state chapter, when you come under the different type of a crystal system, if you have gone through that one, there's a basic 7 crystal system, okay, which we're going to call it as a Bravais lattice. Okay, and these are like cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and the triclinic. These are the basic 7 crystal system, which can again be taken as a 14 crystal system, okay, that you might have gone through, where some of the questions might have appeared even in the competitive exam. Okay, so like 1 or 2 examples will be given and you have to tell which crystal system it is. So in that time it is difficult to remember the example for the all crystal system. Okay, so for that there is an easy way to remember, where one of the students have asked me to give a simple video, so based on or a trick based on how to remember the examples of a Bravais lattice. Okay, so here even I have given in the previous video the shortcut trick how to remember this name of the 7 crystal system and their parameters, like how the edge length or the axial angles will going to change based on that one. I have given a video, you can check that one, and this video is purely about how you can remember the examples of a Bravais lattice. Okay, so as you could see here, the first one is cubic crystal system. Okay, so the first Bravais lattice that we are studying is a cubic crystal system. So for this you have to remember the examples. Okay, there are plenty of examples. Okay, but I have taken a little bit when I went through a different books. These are the common examples that I have got. So based on that one I have given a short way of remembering it. Okay, for the cubic you could remember it as a blend zinc in can. Okay, blend zinc in can means blend means just mix the zinc in a can. That is what the meaning it comes here. Which are the examples involved? Blend zinc is nothing but zinc blend, one of the ore of a zinc. Okay, and can means, as I've underlined here, C means it is a copper. Okay, A means it is a silver. Okay, N means it is a sodium chloride. Okay, so don't think that N means it's a nitrogen, it is sodium chloride. Okay, blend zinc in can, that is zinc sulfide, that is nothing but a zinc blend. Copper, C. Okay, Ag, that is silver for A. N means NaCl. Okay, these are the examples. Similarly for the tetragonal, the short way of remembering is white zinc of titanium and calcium. Okay, white zinc. Okay, the zinc that is of white color is made up of a titanium and calcium. What does that it means? Okay, white zinc means it is nothing but white. As I've underlined here, you have to consider white. Sn is nothing but what? Tin. Okay, white tin. Sn means tin. Okay, and Ti means we know the titanium, but here it is you have to take titanium oxide, and Ca means we know calcium. Here we're going to take as a calcium sulfate. Okay, white zinc, that is white tin, titanium oxide, calcium sulfate. If you repeatedly practice this one like a 4-5 times, you can remember it very easily. So blend the zinc in can, white zinc of a titanium and calcium. Okay, now the next one is for the orthorhombic crystal system. The easy way of remembering is that bake the good rusk. Okay, so rusk means is like one of the bakery item. Okay, bake the good rusk. Okay, bake the good rusk, that means as I have underlined here, bake, Ba means it is barium sulfate. Ba means you are going to get it is a barium. Okay, but it is here it's a like a salt barium sulfate. Okay, G means here, so actually it's you have to take a gallium you have to remember at least G. Okay, O is the like similar to like A, you have to take Ga, that is gallium. Okay, R, yes, R means, okay, yeah, R means it is rhombic, S means sulfur. So it is, I am writing in a short way, rhombic sulfur. K here is potassium nitrate. Okay, K here is potassium nitrate. At least you have to practice this much. If you write this capital word, you will going to get repeating. Bake the good rusk means, Ba means barium sulfate. Okay, so either you can take K here or you can take K here, anything is possible. G means I have taken a gallium. R means rhombo sulfur. Okay, rhombic sulfur. K means potassium nitrate. Okay, similarly next comes rhombohedral. Okay, rhombohedral can be memorized as examples, can be memorized as a Bindu went Australia from Calcutta. Okay, Bindu went Australia from Calcutta. So Bindu, Bi means it is bismuth. Okay, Australia means I am taking As, that is arsenic. Okay, and here Ca, that is calcium. Okay, but here it is actually not calcium, it should be a calcium carbonate, so that's why calco, that is CaLC. Instead of taking A, I have written here O. Okay, calco, that is calcium carbonate. Okay, Bindu went Australia from Calcutta. Okay, that is how you have to remember. Okay, now next one for the hexagonal, it is CDs of Granny and xenon. Okay, so someone have a CD, okay, CD player or the CD disc. Okay, CDs of what, of whose, that is a Granny and xenon. Xenon is like a taken as a name. Okay, CDs, directly you can say CDs as a cadmium sulfide, CDs. Okay, Granny, Gr is taken as a graphite. Okay, xenon is like taken as a zinc oxide. Okay, CDs of Granny and xenon. Similarly, next one is monoclinic. Here I have taken directly. It's because you can remember monoclinic sulfur. Okay, so sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, directly I have taken. And sodium sulfate decahydrate. Sodium sulfate decahydrate are the examples. I have not given any shortcut way for this one. So directly for a monoclinic, remember sulfur is compulsory, and sodium sulfate, sulfur. In both the examples you are going to get a sulfur. Better you remember that one. Okay, sulfur and sodium sulfate decahydrate. So the last one is triclinic. For this the short way is dichromo-pentacup of boric acid. Dichromo-pentacup of boric acid. Okay, here dichromo means, you remember, potassium dichromate. Dichromo, that is Cr2, potassium dichromate. Pentacup means cup, Cu means copper sulfate. Penta means 5 water molecule we have. Okay, and one more example, boric acid, directly I have given, so you can write here as a boric acid, H3BO3. Okay, so that is a dichromo-pentacup of boric acid. Penta, 5 cup of a boric acid, that is made up of a dichromo. Like that you can take it. Okay, you can understand it. So these are the ways through which you can remember the Bravais lattice examples in an easy way. Okay, I have tried my level best. So I hope you can understand this one. So thing is, at a time when you see you can't understand it, so you need to practice repeatedly, then only you can remember or you can memorize. Okay, if I read blend zinc in can like a 3-4 times, then you can easily memorize this one. Okay, I'm going to give what the PDF of this. Okay, even in my Telegram channel I'm going to upload. You can go through that one. If you find this video useful, please share, like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.